Good morning. Today I will discuss the function of the plant cell, but first I will go into label them. The first is cell wall. Cell wall, its function is to providing mechanical strength, support, and rigidity to the cell, providing shape to the plant, allowing selective entry of small molecules inside the cell while preventing large molecules, protecting the delicate inner organelles from outer shock, providing turgidity to plants that allows movement of water and minerals throughout the plant body. Chloroplast, its function is to absorbing light energy, converting light energy into chemical energy to produce food in the form of carbohydrate by a process called photosynthesis, and providing defense against infection, helping in the production of high energy prophase molecules ATP. Central vacuole, its function is to maintaining turgidity of the cell that prevents plants from wilting, storing of reserve food, water, and waste materials of the cell, breaking of macromolecules into simpler ones using specific enzymes present inside them. And this is it. Cell membrane or plasma membrane, its function is to protecting the cell from the outside environment and thus providing additional structural support, maintaining the shape of the cell, regulating the entry and exit of nutrients, essential minerals, and toxic waste products within the cell, helping in the formation and of tissues, helping in cellular communication, regulating cell growth. Endoplasmic reticulum, its function is to helping in the formation of nuclear membrane during cell division, producing transmembrane proteins, lipids, glycogen, and other steroids like cholesterol for its membrane and other parts of the cell, packaging and transporting of proteins and carbohydrates to other organelles, providing an increased surface area for cellular interaction, forming the skeletal framework of the cell. And this is the endoplasmic. Golgi apparatus, its function is to synthesizing complex polysaccharides of the cell wall, processing, packaging, transporting, and secretion of the proteins produced in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, performing protein modification such as phosphorylation and glycosylation, breaking down of proteins into simpler ones. And this is it. Microfilaments, its function is to helping in the contraction of muscles, helping in cell movement, aiding in cell division, maintaining cell shape, helping in the flow of cytoplasmic contents including nutrients within the cell. Ito, this is it. Intermediate filaments, its function is to maintaining the structural integrity of the cell, maintaining cell shape, helping in the movement of cell organelles and nutrients within the cell. And this is it. This mitochondria, its function is to producing the energy currency of the cell, the ATP, helping in cellular respiration, which involves breaking down of the nutrients to generate energy. They maintain the concentration of Ca within the cell by working closely with the endoplasmic reticulum. And this is it, this mitochondria. Nucleus, its function is to storing the genetic material of the cell, controlling cell growth and reproduction, controlling and coordinating center of the cell, transmitting genetic information to the next generation. And this is the nucleus. This peroxisomes, its function is to performing oxygen dependent breakdown of substrate such as fatty acids and glycerol, helping in the recycling of carbon during cell metabolism. And this is the peroxisomes. This ribosomes, its function is to synthesizing proteins required for all cellular activities including growth and reproduction. And this is the ribosomes. This cytoplasm, its function is to maintaining turgidity and thus helps in keeping cell shape, assisting several metabolic activities such as cell division, respiration, and breaking down of waste product, keeping the cell organelles in their position, providing the raw materials necessary for the chemical reaction within the cell. And this is the cytoplasm. This wall, this plasdomesmata, its function is to allowing movement of water, nutrients, and small signaling molecules between neighboring cells, transferring viral genomes between cells, helping in the cellular communication.